best. Make sure y'all go check out all his tunes, because, he got about 4 or 5 of them. Shout out to Cooking with Love and More. The big homie be pulling up. Appreciate that. We be pulling up on him, too, because he's usually live every day. So, to keep up with your boy. Appreciate the 9 likes. It shows that those people aren't haters. And the people that actually hit the chat, we rock with them definitely. Because, hey, you got to show your attendance, and then we'll know who's here. Hell, if you didn't say nothing, I ain't know you was even here. If you hit the thumbs up and didn't say nothing, hell, we know you still a real one, too. Hell, although you didn't say nothing, hell, we know y'all subscribe. Anyways, y'all know to go check out the Buy Me a Coffee. Shout out to the Buy Me a Coffee, because we keep ours lit. If you need to get an example on what your monetization is supposed to look like, go over and check out the monetization site on our Buy Me a Coffee, because we got it all filled out for you. You dig? Got the shop, wish list, all that good stuff. Let's see. Make sure y'all go pick up y'all freebies. In the garden, by the door, in the bedroom, on the floor. Remember me when you're far away. I'll always have a place for you to stay. In the middle of the night, I'm gonna be there till the morning light. And y'all also know to go check out Coach Sherry. She's doing her THING. That reminds me, I still have to give her a free membership, because she's been donating over there in the supporter side. So, you can gift memberships also on Buy Me a Coffee. That's a good thing about having all that good tough stuff operating. Hold on, I almost forgot.
Give it gas when I'm giving competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better getting back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relaxing. I can't, my team finna pack the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft at the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time, my time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch.
Shouts out to Mr. Sess Crew. Y'all know the big homie from KC Mo. We big on our Kansas City artists around here, so we definitely throwing some support his way. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a message in the bottom. If you want to hit the Buy Me a Coffee link, it's available somewhere. And also, don't forget to sign up for the W program. Get you some of their affiliate program going or something. I don't know. I ain't gonna keep giving y'all the freebies for free. We know the people that listen know to listen. So have a nice day. Keep